Got a piece of string about 30 inches long or so. Grab the two ends, put them together, tie them together with a easy knot. This is the one I like, an underwriter's knot. Bottom loop goes all the way around. Hold with your thumb. Remaining strand goes completely around in the same direction, up through the rabbit hole. Grab both ends, pull tight. Now, that knot is going to come closest to you. Come down to the end of that loop. Cross right over and hold with your thumb and finger. And then get set up for the next move. I usually put two fingers inside on my right hand, two fingers inside my left hand pointing down. So my right fingers are pointing up, left fingers are pointing down. And then with a twisting motion and letting up slack as you need to, bring those two fingers together. And then tilt the right and drop the loop over so that everything's around the two left fingers. And looking at it carefully, you can see that you formed a constrictor knot. Basically an overhand knot with another loop over the top. And that's what will jam this constrictor knot. Now, put your finger in there, and then your thumb, and get ready to put it over your ponytail. But don't lose the knot end of this loop. In fact, I take a third finger and put it in there just so I don't get it confused with everything. I can loosen up slack. So I've got my constrictor hair tie knot there. And my hair, my ponytail is going to go inside there. And when it's on, this is what I'm going to pull on and tighten. So that's why you need to keep this knot separate from the constrictor knot. Okay, from here, you just put your ponytail in, and then with your ponytail in the constrictor knot, tighten that up. When a constrictor knot is tight, you can't untie it, but you can slip it down off your ponytail, and then the knot collapses.